Summary of today's proceedings and a clarification on the charges.
Okay, the matter was set down for a formal bail application hearing. Unfortunately, the defense indicated that they are not in a position to continue with their application today. So the matter has been postponed to the 29th of January 2025 for the accused to bring a formal bail application.
And the charges exactly, what are the charges he's facing, and does he have any pending cases as well?
Musa Kaula is currently charged with criminal injury as well as contempt of court. He has two pending cases, one in the Western Cape on a charge of murder, and a second one in Forshville, which is a case of reckless and negligent driving. So on that case of reckless and negligent driving, he is currently in custody as a warrant of arrest that was issued in Forshville. However, the sentence subs was able to execute their warrant of arrest on this matter before Forshville. So on this matter, a warrant was issued in October of 2024, and the South African Police Service has since been trying to track the accused up until he was apprehended in KwaZulu-Natal.
Yeah, sanibonani ninjani subscribe-ani ngenza kwethu ake so Musa Kaula ke uboshole ukukhuluma ngalo lo uzinqumalo usomabhizinisi oshade noTamara Greenway uMiss South Africa ke wabhala ngalo wathi uyashit wathi uTamara wathi uzi awungazi kahle ngizoma ngikubopha ke but anyway according as NPA issue ukuthi unamanye amacala nawe unemeda njengomngani wakho gogomaweni ecala ayi kodwa lecala lakhe ke lemeda ayikade ke lalihamba ke you know so uphinda abe nelicala le drive angazi umuso we driver ithatha phi imoto so yilokho njengamanje aboshele khona uphinde wanqatshelwa ke na ibail kusho ukuthi nje kuyanqatshelwa namabhail leinsuku yena uzobonakala ngomhla ka29 January esezocela ibail ibonakala ukuthi uyakhishwa ke noma uyaphushwa kodwa ke kubuke sengazi mhlambe nangeke aphume ngoba bathi ubevele na iwarrant of arrest eyayikhishiwe wake wangatholakala ke utholakala ecashile le kodanti wathathwa kusese Gauteng njengamanje nje badevela nje evele se Randburg Court ese Randburg Magistrate Court briefly and ke intatheli bekhona ke kodwa kuthi ukuthi ke akhamsananga ke noma wena umaweni na uwinga indawo use Protea Court wawumusevezwa elentuzani wawumusa evele Magistrate Court uhlale sentini so yeah anyway ilokho ke khona ke njengamanje ukuthi uMusa Kaula odumile obhala njengawo wonke umuntu kodwa abaningi bayasola bathi cha angeke kube lecala phela basola ukuthi ilezi lakhe azibhalayo ngosopolitiki ezenza ukuthi aboshwe subscribe ani kanza